What is good, everyone? Welcome back to another episode on the channel, and in today's episode I'm going to do a complete full breakdown for you guys on a Euro USD sell that hit full target, which is obviously fantastic. We're going to go through all the ins and outs, obviously how I found this setup, how I executed the setup, how I found the risk to reward parameters, everything like that using the price action strategy. My strategy, as you can see here, for a day trading idea. So let's hop straight into this. So as you can see, we're on the 4 hour time frame right now. So obviously on this, I was looking at the 4 hour, so that's 1 hour, so 30 minutes for this specific trade in this specific position. So let's look at the elephant in the room here. As you can see, on the 4 hour, we have a really nice bullish trend coming up here that I actually caught buys on when we were back at these areas over here at this level. If I get out my circle tool here, as you can see, we really respect this level really nicely, as you can see, obviously coming up through this trend. We seem to reject this level, and even more recently, as you can see, rejected straight off this level here. So first confirmation obviously of this trade is, as you can see, we have broken out of this trend line at this level here and then got the retest of this level over here. So this is the first confirmation. This is all going to make sense as I obviously talk through this and we bundle everything together. So on the daily, I have a big daily trend line coming through here, as you can see. Daily, we get the wick there, we get the wick there as well. If we go to the 4 hour, we'll still be able to see that. So let's zoom out. As you can see, we've got the rejection here, we've got the rejection at that level, and we've got the rejection coming through, and we've got the rejection there as well. So let's zoom back in on this 4 hours, so you can see, and even more recently, we've broken out of this trend line, yes, but we've got an extra confirmation because we've come up and rejected right off this trend line as well, as you can see. Now, as you can see here, we have broken out of both of these structures. And if you guys have seen another video, I'll explain to you that when you have two trends that cross over, they act, I like to call them a cross trend, and they really act as a really nice repellent area, as you can see here. So they've come up, hit these levels, and it instantly rejected off this as well. So we've broken out of like this wedge pattern, as you can see here, to the upside. We've rejected this other side, we've come bullish, we've came back down, came back in this trend line, came back up, and now we've broke both of these areas. It's come for a nice retest, and then we've got that nice move to the downside, as you can see. But an extra confirmation that I was looking at for sellers in the market is, as you can see, we've actually created ourselves a head and shoulders pattern. For you guys that don't know, this is a traditional head and shoulders pattern, and this is just an extra confirmation that if we break the neckline here, as you can see, I'll draw a trend line coming through. If we break the neckline here, we could get some sellers into the market. So I've already got 3 confirmations that this trade's going to go the way that I want it, right? So let's hop down to the 1 hour where we look at the risk to reward parameters and everything like that as well. So as you can see, my entry was at this point here, 117.472. As you can see, we got the break, we got the retest of this level, and then I was looking for the break and close underneath, which I got an entry at this level here. As you can see, we've got the break, we've got the close at this level. I was in this trade. Yes, we got into a little slight bit of drawdown, but then we just absolutely flew. As you can see, it didn't take long to get to the final targets down here as you can see, if we look down here, of around 78 pips, as you can see on this trade. Now, we did have the help of the GDP announcement on this trade, but I was completely risk-free by the time this news really hit. As you can see, this big candle here was the news. I set my stop loss obviously above this level up here. So overall, this is a 2.87 risk reward ratio trade. Reason why my stop loss is at this level is because, of course, we will break this big trend line, we'll break this other trend line as well, and we will break this potential rejection point that we have over here. So just wanted to make sure that, obviously, you know, if we come to our stop loss level, we are broken out of the complete structure anyway. That would make this trade invalidated. But as you can see, we got the really nice move, obviously, from the entry here, plain sailing down to our levels over here. And as you can see, it even went that slight bit further. And of course, a massive reason how I'm able to find high probability setups daily is due to Market AI. Have you ever been scrambling on Twitter, on Bloomberg, on all these websites trying to find your fundamentals? You need to look no more. Market AI gives you all of your fundamentals in a very easily digestible way to add straight into the technicals of your trading. As you can see here on gold, higher time frame bullish, intraday bullish, giving you all the news of what's happening with this asset class right now, so you can make the best informed decision based on your technicals and add that fundamentals into your environment. You can add as many pairs as you like, and the AI system is going to compile all of the fundamentals going on in the world with that asset class and put it all in one place. You have a daily bias, so you can see exactly what's going on with the pairs that you like to trade the most. Currency news and data, equity news and data, all the economy news of what's going on in the world, a COT report as well, and a whole backtesting fundamentals page where you can backtest your technical setups in line with the fundamentals to see if that could have added an extra confirmation to your trading journey. And if you use the code DAN10, you will get 10% off this whole platform. And this is an absolute non-negotiable for you as a trader. It is going to transform you to whatever trader that you are now and take you to that next level. But as you can see, I was very, very happy with the level that I picked. If you guys were wondering why I picked this level, as you can see, we tend to get a lot of play over here. A lot of rejections around these areas. You can see a lot of play. So even if we look left, as you can see, big wicks, big areas around here that we tend to move on Euro USD. So I was just looking to take it just to those levels here, especially because on that 1 hour I was looking at this wick here more so, just looking to take profit around these levels, as you can see, and it paid off really, 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 really nice. As you can see, literally got literally in. And we were out in full profits literally by the afternoon. So literally was in this trade for what, 5 or 6 hours, and we managed to catch 78-ish pips on this trade, which is obviously a great move and pretty much a plain sailing move as well, as you can see. So obviously, first confirmation, we have broken this bullish structure here. Second confirmation, we've broken out of this trend line and retested it as well, proving our technicals are on point. Third confirmation, we have a traditional head and shoulders pattern, as you can see here, proving that we could have a bearish move in play. Fourth confirmation, we've broken and retested this level that I was looking at. And obviously the news played in our part as well, so fundamentals were on our side as well. Obviously risk to reward ratio made sense as well throughout. And just a very, very calculated and rules-based trade, which is what my strategy is all about. And guess what, guys? This setup literally took me minutes to find. I have a watch list here that you guys see on the right of 15 plus pairs that they literally take me 45 minutes to an hour to mark up, and that is it. I'm done on the charts for the day. I don't really look at anything else. I get on with my day, go to the gym, carry on with other projects, see friends, all of these things that I know so many people can have the freedom to be able to do as well. And that's why I created this strategy. So I'm not stuck by the charts all day, and you can catch moves like this where obviously the trade just is going to run for you, and your alerts are going to let you know exactly when to take action, so you're not on the charts all day long. If you want info on that and you want to see exactly how you can implement this exact strategy for yourself, literally you could learn this within 90 days. I'm going to put a video somewhere around this video at the end. Click on that. That is going to give you the 3-step breakdown of this exact strategy. Or if you want to know any more in-depth info, all you need to do is give me a message over on Instagram. I'll be happy to help, or leave a comment below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. But I'll leave the profit somewhere around the screen for you guys as well. For more breakdowns and everything like that, feel free to look over the other videos on my YouTube and head over to my Instagram, where I post some quick analysis on there also, and cool stuff in my stories. But I will see you guys in the next one. Look forward to speaking to you guys soon, and I'll see you guys on the next trade breakdown. Take it easy, guys. Peace.